अस्सलाम वालेकुम everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. मैं हूँ आपकी online teacher and a very warm-hearted welcome everybody to Tahir's Academy. Today we are going to study Standard 9, subject Algebra. The chapter which we are going to study is Ratio and Proportion. So let's get started. Okay, so we will begin with practice set 4.1. Question number 1 is find the ratio of the first number to the second number from the given pairs of numbers in the reduced form. So what we have to do, we have to find the ratio of first number to the second number. That is, we have to divide the first number with the second number and we have to reduce this equation and find the answer. So the first one is 72, 60. So we will write the ratio of 72 to 60 is equal to 72 is to 60. These two dots over here, these two dots which are there over here, we pronounce it as is to. 72 is to 60. So this is the sign when this is the sign which we use when we are doing or finding ratio of two numbers. Okay, so we will write 72 upon 60. 12 6 are 72 and 12 5 are is 60. 12 and 12 will be cancelled. We will get 6 upon 5. So our answer is 6 is to 5. Second question, 38, 57. So we will write the ratio of 38 to 57 is equal to 38 is to 57, which is equal to 38 upon 57, which is equal to 19 multiplied by 2 upon 19 multiplied by 3. 19 twos are 38 and 19 threes are 57. 19 in the numerator and the denominator will be cancelled and we will be left with 2 upon 3. So our answer is 2 is to 3. The third question is 52, 78. We will write the ratio of 52 to 78 is 52 is to 78, which is equal to 52 upon 78. 26 twos are 52 and 26 threes are is 78. So we will write 26 multiplied by 2 in the numerator and 26 multiplied by 3 in the denominator. 26 in the numerator and denominator will be cancelled and we have 2 upon 3. So our answer is 2 is to 3. Let's begin with question number 2. We have to find the ratio of the first quantity to the second quantity in the reduced form. Okay, so let's begin. First one is rupees 700, rupees 308. So we will write rupees 700 is to rupees 308, which means 700 upon 308, which is equal to 28 multiplied by 25 upon 28 multiplied by 11. 28 in the numerator and denominator gets cancelled and we have 25 upon 11. So our answer is 25 is to 11. Second question. In the second question, we have rupees 14, rupees 12 and 40 paise. So, whenever we are finding the ratios or whenever we are dividing, both the quantities should have the same unit. If there is rupees, both should be there in rupees. If we are considering paise, both should be there in paise. So we are having rupees 14 and rupees 12, paise 40. So we will convert 40 paise into rupees. Okay. So rupees 14 is equal to, we will convert everything into paise. Rupees 14, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 14 rupees is equal to 14 multiplied by 100, which is equal to 1400 paise. 12 paise, 12 rupees, 40 paise. So 1 rupee is equal to 100. 12 rupees will be equal to 12 multiplied by 100 plus 40 paise. So we will get 1200 plus 40, which is 1240 paise. Now we will write rupees 14 is to rupees 12, rupees 12 and 40 paise is equal to 1400 paise is to 1240 paise, which means 1400 upon 1240. The 0 and 0, which is in the units place in both the numerator and the denominator, will be cancelled, and we have 140 upon 124. Now 435 is 140 and 431 is 124. So 4 and 4 in the numerator and denominator is cancelled, and we have 35 upon 31. So our answer is 35 is to 31. I hope you all are understanding. Question number 3 is 5 liters and 2500 milliliters. So what we will do, we will convert both the quantities in the same unit, either in liters or milliliters. So what we will do, we can convert in liters also, we can convert it milliliters also. So we will do the simple thing, we will convert everything into milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So 5 liters will be 5 into 1000, which is equal to 5000 milliliters. Now we can write 5 liters is to 2500 milliliters is equal to 5000 milliliters is to 2500 milliliters. So we have 5000 upon 2500, which is equal to 2500 multiplied by 2 upon 2500 multiplied by 1. 2500 in the numerator and 2500 in the denominator will be cancelled, and we have 2 upon 1. So our answer is 2 is to 1. Let's move forward. We have question number 4, which says 3 years, 4 months and 5 years, 8 months. So we will convert everything into months. 3 years, 4 months is equal to 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 3 years will be 3 multiplied by 2 plus 4 months, which is equal to 40 months. 5 years, 8 months is equal to 5 multiplied by 12 plus 8, which is equal to 68. So we can write 3 years, 4 months is to 5 years, 8 months is equal to 40 months is to 68 months, which is equal to 40 upon 68. 40, it is very easy. It is 4 multiplied by 10 and 4 multiplied by 17 is 68. So 4 and 4 in the numerator and denominator gets cancelled. We have 10 upon 17. Our answer is 10 is to 17. The fifth question. It is 3.8 kilograms, 1900 grams. Here again, we have to convert both the quantities in the same unit. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Therefore, 3.8 kg is equal to 3.8 into 1000, which is equal to 3800 grams. So now we can write 3.8 kg is to 1900 grams is equal to 3800 grams is to 1900 grams, which is equal to 3800 upon 1900. It is very simple. 1900 multiplied by 2 gives 3800, and 1900 multiplied by 1 gives us 1900. So 1900 in the numerator and 1900 in the denominator will be cancelled, and we have 2 upon 1. So our answer is 2 is to 1. Okay, my dear students, I really hope you all are understanding. The sixth sum is 7 minutes 20 seconds, 5 minutes 6 seconds. This one is for homework for your revision so that you can revise the concept. Answer, I can tell you the answer of this sum is 220 is to 153. Let's study forward. Okay, we have question number 3. Express the following percentages as ratios in the reduced form. Okay, so we have to express them as ratios, that is in the form of fractions, that is in the form of numerator and in the form of denominator. Okay, what do you understand by ratio? Ratio is nothing but fractions, and fraction is nothing but numerator upon denominator. Okay, 75 is to 100 is equal to 75 upon 100, which is equal to 25 multiplied by 3 upon 25 multiplied by 4. 25 in the numerator and 25 in the denominator gets cancelled, and we are left with 3 upon 4. Our answer is 3 is to 4. Second question, we have 44 and 100. So we will write 44 is to 100, which is equal to 44 upon 100, which is equal to 4 into 11 upon 4 into 25. 4 and 4 in the numerator and denominator will be cancelled. We have 11 upon 25. Our answer is 11 is to 25. Now the third one is 6.25%. Now one thing which I want to make clear over here is, if there is a decimal in between after a number, 6.25 it is. The decimal is after 6. So after the decimal, there is two numbers, 2 and 5. Many students call it as 6.25, but this is not the correct form of pronouncing a like a number having a denominator. After the denominator, we cannot say 25. After the decimal point, we can say, we have to say 6.25%. Okay, so we have 6.25 upon 100. If we try to remove the decimal point, so after the decimal there are two digits, so we will divide by 100. So we have 625 upon 100 multiplied by 100, which is equal to 25 multiplied by 25 upon 25 multiplied by 4 into 25 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 1 upon 16. Our answer is 1 is to 16. Fourth sum, 52 and 100. 52 is to 100. 52 upon 100 is equal to 4 into 13 upon 4 into 25. 4 and 4 in the numerator and denominator will be cancelled, and we have 13 upon 25. So our answer is 13 is to 25. Fifth sum is 0.64%, which is equal to 0.64 upon 100. If we try to remove the decimal, there are two digits after the decimal point, so we have to divide by 100. 64 upon 100 multiplied by 100. We have 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 upon 4 into 25 multiplied by 4 into 25. So we have 4 upon 625. Okay. So our answer is 4 is to 625. Now, question number 4, which will be the last question for the day. This is a word problem, but it is very simple. I will give my 100% efforts to make you all understand this word problem. Okay. Actually, what happens, students, when they see word problems, they get scared. They are panicked to solve word problems. What they feel like, 90% of the students think that whenever a word problem is there, they won't be able to solve, or even if they try to solve, they won't be able to get the answer. So I will make sure to change this mentality of the students, and I will make sure that all my students fall in love with mathematics. That's what my motto is. So question number 4 is, three persons can build a small house in 8 days. To build the same house in 6 days, how many persons are required? So, three people are building a small house in 8 days. तीन लोग काम कर रहे हैं, घर बना रहे हैं 8 दिनों में. Okay? When there are three persons, they are taking 8 days to make a house. If we increase the person, sorry, if we decrease the days, so the persons will increase. This is inverse proportion. Okay, you have studied this in standard 8. When one quantity decreases, the other quantity increases. This is inverse proportion. So our solution is, the number of persons and the number of days required to build the house are in inverse proportion. Therefore, the product of the number of persons and the number of days is constant. Let X persons are required to build the house in 6 days. Then X multiplied by 6 is equal to 3 multiplied by 8. Now the quantity which we have to find over here is X. So my dear students, whenever we have to find a particular quantity, what we have to do, we have to isolate that quantity, and we have to take all the numbers from that quantity. So X is multiplied by 6. We have to take this 6 and we have to move this 6 to the opposite side of the equal to sign. So we have X is equal to 3 multiplied by 8. 6 is there in multiplication. On the opposite side of the equal to, it will come in division. So we have X is equal to 3 multiplied by 8 upon 6. After calculating, we get X is equal to 4. So our answer is, 4 persons are required to build the house in 6 days. Okay, students, so this was the last question. We will continue tomorrow. I hope you all have understood the chapter ratio and proportion. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below. Okay, so your online teacher takes your leave over here. Happy learning. Stay safe. Goodbye.